your Machiavellian schemes. I know they say that you are very vain, and short and fat and pushy, but at least you're not insane. Henry Kissinger, how I'm missing you and wishing you were here. Henry Kissinger, how I'm missing you. You're so chubby and so neat, with your funny clothes and your squishy nose. You're like a German pear